Hi everyone, welcome to our page Packham Warehouse Management, where we'll be discussing how we can improve our warehouse efficiency in 2023 and the coming year. Well, in today's fast-paced world, optimizing your warehouse operations is really crucial for staying ahead. So why don't we look at the 3 key tips to boost efficiency of your warehouse and see how you can do better. So first on the list is improve warehouse layout. A well-organized layout can significantly enhance productivity by strategically placing high-demand items closer to your shipping areas. You can actually reduce picking and packing time. Implementing a clear signage and designated pathways will minimize confusion for you and optimize your operations. And second on the list is improve warehouse storage. Well, efficient storage system does save your time in preventing inventory errors. You can utilize vertical space in shelving to optimize your storage capacity. And not just that, but you can also employ a systematic labeling system for easy item identification and consider implementing automation technologies like barcode scanning to expedite your inventory management. And lastly is implement smooth running picking and packing strategies. Fine-tuning these processes can be really significant. Well, for a smooth picking process, make sure to pay close attention to products loadings. Make sure you store popular SKUs together, wherein you don't mix multiple SKUs in the same bin location. Also, you can streamline your packaging process by employing automated equipment such as conveyor belts and robotics packaging system. Implementing these 3 key strategies, which are improve warehouse layout, improve warehouse storage, and implement smooth picking and packaging strategies, can help you improve warehouse efficiency in 2023. And if you have any questions, please do not forget to comment down in the video below.